Hey guys, I'm from Plaid, and today we're going to talk all about FolkArt Drizzle paint. So FolkArt Drizzle is a complete fluid art pouring program. So we have everything you need to get started. So we have our original formula of paints, we've got all the bright pops of color, we have your basics, your neutrals, everything you need to start pouring. But then we also have our new specialty colors. We've got our flash iridescent, metallic, glitters, glow in the dark, and neons. So along with paint, we have a variety of tools to help you try all different kinds of techniques with pouring. So we have everything from volcanoes, strainers, different slotted cups, we have a drop swipe stir kit, and we also have a spinner, which is a great all-around workstation to try all the different kinds of techniques that we're going to show you. Fluid art is all about having fun, so the more comfortable you are, the more creative you'll be. I encourage you to experiment and try all the different formulas of paint as well as all the different tools and techniques. At the end of the day, you're just trying to create an abstract, one-of-a-kind piece of art. There are no rules, and there is so much room for creative freedom. FolkArt Drizzle is ready to use out of the bottle. So we have this convenient flip-top cap that you can use to pour directly on the canvas or whatever surface you're working with, or you can also pour it into an additional cup depending on the pouring technique you're going for. Our paint is pre-mixed, so there's no mixing involved. We've specially formulated this consistency to work perfectly for spinning, dripping, and pouring. So basically, any kind of fluid art technique, you can use FolkArt Drizzle. There is so much more to fluid art than what I've showed you today, but you can see how many different techniques you can do with this paint and all the tools that we offer in the FolkArt Drizzle program. For more project ideas and inspiration, visit plaidonline.com/drizzle.